Okay, let's talk about how does force affect moving objects. Michaela.
Force. A force is a push or pull. Force can make a fixed object move. It can also make a moving object stop, change direction, slow down, and move faster. Sometimes a force must touch an object to have an effect on it. This is a contact force. You must hit a marble with an object such as your finger in order to make it move on a level surface. Some forces can act on an object without touching it. A magnet can pull a piece of iron toward it, touching the iron. Pushing or pulling can change the object's position and motion. A strong magnet can pull a piece of iron toward it farther away with the magnet. The change that takes place depends on strong forces.
Okay, combining forces, Arabella.
Forces have size and direction. These dogs are combining forces, but they are working against each other. They are pulling the toy in opposite directions, but they are pulling with the same size force. The forces are balanced. The toy does not move. If one dog pulls with more force, the forces will not be balanced. The toy will move toward the dog that is using more force. Sometimes more than one force acts on objects. If you and your friend push an object opposite side of a door the same size force, the forces are balanced. The door will not move. If you push one side of the door while your friend pulls the other side, the forces are acting in the same direction. The door will move towards your friend. The total force on an object is found by adding all forces.
Okay, I asked you to use the Laura Robb sequence strategy and answer question number 5, which was 2 dogs pull a toy with the same size force but in opposite directions. What will happen next if one dog pulls with more force? Remember, first, next, then, finally. Use all your keywords in sequence. What did you guys come up with first? Mason, what did your group come up with? What did you write for first? What would happen first?
The dog has more force than the other.
Well, no, it says they're pulling with the same size force. What'd you guys have, Caleb? What'd you guys have for force?
For the first?
Yeah, for the first one.
They're pulling with the same size force.
Hello? Okay, hold on. Are you leaving early today? Your mom's here.
My mom said I was going to get to this today because we're going to get my cousin, and I guess she'll just pick me up.
She is. I'll see you on Monday, maybe.
Switch these around.
Okay. Okay, what would be, you guys had it for first. What'd you have, Caleb? Yes, they're pulling with the same force. It says that on there. 2 dogs pull a toy with the same size force, but in opposite directions, okay? That's on there. That would be first, okay?
Do I need to take home anything?
No, you don't today. Did you bring your t-shirt? Okay, just remind your mom. Okay, what would happen next on that sequence? What would happen next? Caleb's group, you guys had a good start. What would happen next to the force?
The forces are balanced.
They are balanced, okay? So what would happen to the toy?
The toy will start going towards the dog that has more force.
But if they're balanced, what does the toy do?
It stays equal.
It doesn't move, okay? If the dog's pulling the same size dog or the same force on each side, or if you guys are doing tug of war. Do you remember doing tug of war for track and field when you're practicing, Caleb? And, okay, it depends on who has more force, okay? The team with the most force is the one that's going to win and pull. What would be finally on there? What would happen finally, Caleb's group?
The toy will move toward the dog that is using more force.
Yeah, that has the most force. Does that make sense to you guys? It's just a real short lesson in sequence. Good. You guys did really good on that one that time. Thank you. Good job. We're going to move